Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can sync your audio with your videos on CapCut PC. So go to the audio bit right here and select any audio that you want. Go to the auto beats and select either beat 2 or beat 1. I'm just going to go with the beats 1. And you're just going to add in like videos, and when there's like a yellow dot, you're just going to select this delete right so that your video will sync with the audio, like when it changes like the beat and stuff. Like here again, you're just going to that yellow beat and you're just going to delete the rest, and you're just going to keep on adding videos. It's mostly like for compilations and stuff, but that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And don't forget to click the thanks button as well if you found this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!